Hey there, welcome to my room at the Fairmont Scottsdale Princess. Come on in. I'm staying in the Sunset Beach building, which is by the pool where they brought in sand from Florida, but we'll get to that later. First, this is the hallway to my room. Let's start off in the bathroom. There's his and her sinks, a standing shower. I love this vanity area. Now back in the hallway, we have all this stuff over here where we have the Nespresso maker, a bar, a sink, anything you can think of. And here we have a nice large closet with the 2 bathrobes, slippers, a safe, plenty of room. You could practically move in. And moving in is just what you're going to want to do here after you see all the things that there are to do and see, including to get some rest in these very comfortable beds that I have in this room, along with a desk, a television, but my favorite part is always the outside. On my private balcony, which is a great place to have my morning cup of coffee. And to give you some great views of the surrounding Arizona desert, and to make you really feel like a princess. But let's check out the rest of this stunning resort. The Fairmont Princess has 6 pools. The Princess Pool, the Sonoran adult-only pool that, as you can see here, is a great place to float away into a peaceful oasis. Here's Sonoran Splash, complete with 2 200-foot water slides. Sunset Beach, where the sand is from a beach in Florida, and the other 2 pools are nestled away deep into the resort. The Well and Being Spa is one of my all-time favorite spas, and they recently just added in Sicily Paris as a part of their spa that you can get their services with their products. So I'm about to check in for my youth facial, so let's go inside. Upon entry into the spa, I was immediately greeted by the Sicily staff as they proceeded to check me in for my facial, right before leading me into their lounge where I was given options for a beverage and treats. I took the glass of Moët to start and decided to save the treats for after the facial. So after putting my belongings in my designated Sicily locker, it was time to head to the Sicily area of Well and Being for my facial. So once in the treatment room, I chose my preferred Sicily scented candle, and then it was time to start the youth facial. So this is actually created for the younger demographic so they can stay youthful and prevent signs of aging. And it was all customized to my exact skin type. I felt so relaxed. I think I even dozed off a few times because Annika has hands of an angel. Make sure you book with her when you get your facial. I just had the most amazing experience. I am glowing from head to toe. And afterwards, I went to the spa's rooftop pool. The Princess is always throwing great events at their resort, and they were having their Pumpkin Fest during the time of my stay. These tickets were included in my stay because I was a hotel guest. They did such a great job decorating the resort for fall and Halloween. It was a great activity for families and adults. So now let's talk about food at the resort. There are so many dining options to choose from, like Hacienda, Ironwood, and more. Thanks for checking out the Fairmont Scottsdale Princess with me. For more information, click the link below. So until next time, I'm Allison Berger, and don't forget, I'm fun-sized.